Welcome to the Transform Your Wedding podcast, a how-to guide for taking your wedding to a whole new level. Here's your host, Marie Kubin from Rent My Wedding.
Hey everyone, today we're talking about ceremony arches. This is a really beautiful type of wedding decor. So let's jump right in and talk all about arches. So first things first, what is a ceremony arch? So this is a structure that can be rounded or squared, and it goes up and over the couple. It creates a beautiful focal point for exchanging vows. Now there's other types of decor that you can use for the ceremony as well, but in this episode, we're focusing on arches. And if you do want to know about other types, just check out our episode all about ceremony altar designs. So what kind of looks can you do with a ceremony arch? Well, you could go with a linen arch, which is going to give you a really classic and timeless look. The white linens look really elegant, and it's the really simple way to create the look. You could also dress it up by adding flowers or greenery or branches or even balloons. The possibilities are endless. So next, let's talk about how to set up a ceremony arch. So I'll talk about the kind that we use at Rent My Wedding, and this is probably what you'll find at most rental companies now. So it's really, really simple to set it up. All you do is set up 2 tripods, you put a crossbar between them, and then you add drapes. You just slide those drapes onto the bar, and then you raise the tripods up to your desired height. Most people do 8 feet or 10 feet tall. Then you'll take the fabric and gather it to the sides. You can use a piece of Velcro or a ribbon to secure it in place. So that's all there is to set up your own ceremony arch. It probably takes about 10 minutes from start to finish. So what about the size of the arch? You can get these in all different shapes and sizes. If you're doing the rental at our company, we do the standard one is adjustable up to 12 feet wide. So the great thing is that you can reduce it down so it can go as low as 6 feet wide or anywhere up to 12 feet wide. And the height is adjustable too, so you can go up to 10 feet wide or you can make it shorter. So just customize it exactly how you want. So before we go, let's talk about where to get a ceremony arch. So you can get this with a decorator or a rental company. This is one of those things that I definitely recommend you go for the do-it-yourself rental because it's so easy. You can save a lot of money by setting this up yourself. So I'll give you an idea of how the rental process works at a company like mine over at Rent My Wedding. So what you would do is just go on the website, click on the ceremony arch, and then enter your wedding date. 2 days before the wedding, we deliver it right to your door. The day of your wedding, you set it up, and afterwards, you put everything back in the same box and send it right back. The shipping is always free, both ways, nationwide. And the best part is that it's compact and easy to transport. So everything can be broken down and easily fits in the back seat of your car. Or you can even have it shipped directly to your wedding venue. So that is everything you need to know about creating a beautiful ceremony arch for your wedding. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to get this look, and don't forget to check out our episodes for more decor ideas. You can find all those episodes over at the podcast website, transformyourwedding.com. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you next time.
This podcast is brought to you by Rent My Wedding, your one-stop shop for event rentals. Order online and rentals are delivered right to your door. Shipping is free both ways nationwide. Rent lighting, backdrops, photo booths, and more. With the most 5-star reviews in the industry, Rent My Wedding makes rentals easy and affordable. Book your rentals today at www.rentmywedding.com.